Hi, welcome back. I'm Sudi Khan, Director of User Experience at Neuron. Today I'm going to talk about the third and the fourth components that go into building your UX architectural guide. And those are the feature set and the sitemap. So the feature set really are all the features that you're going to have in the experience you're creating. And you really need to break those down and group those into subsets. So for example, let's say we're doing a very, very simple application like a basic email app. You have to remember that you have to view emails, but you also have to reply to them, forward them, delete them, flag them, maybe block an email. You have to be able to create folders. And when you do that, you have to be able to delete a folder, possibly rename a folder. So all those different things have to be addressed. If you're doing something like create an account, yeah, you have a username and password, but you also have forgot password, forgot username, rules for the password. And what happens if you might have a pop-up that you have to at least mention if the person doesn't enter the right password, for example, or an email that gets sent out. So you have a lot of features depending on your app, the complexity of your app. I would look at the samples that we give online in the 4 UX architectural guides that we provide to give you a good idea of how thorough feature sets can be. But it's important to have these done in the beginning because they save so much time in the end. I worked on a project not that long ago where the person defining the feature set had created a feature set for creating an account, but completely forgot that someone has to be able to delete that account and to be able to also put that account on hold temporarily, right? So that requires, a start date and an end date and so on, right? So very, very interesting stuff, but it does save a lot of time. The feature set is what is used to create the sitemap. Now remember, the sitemap is kind of the view from 10,000 feet. It's typically a block diagram. I'm sure you've seen them all before. They're slightly different, but they're typically at the same sort of low fidelity. So something that might represent a checkout system, like 5 different steps, each screen might have 10 or 12 fields on it, potentially. But in the sitemap, it's just shown as one block in most cases. So think about that. Once again, look at the examples we have online, and I think that'll give you a pretty good starting point for creating your feature set and sitemap. Thanks for watching. Take care.